If you want to start freelancing in 2026 but feel confused about where to begin, this video is for you. Most beginners think they need advanced skills, expensive software, or years of experience. But the truth is, the freelancers who are winning today are using AI tools to work faster and smarter. In this video, I'll show you 3 beginner-friendly AI tools that can help you start offering services online. Let's start with the first one. The first tool is ChatGPT by OpenAI. ChatGPT helps you generate content ideas, captions, blog outlines, email drafts, and even product descriptions in seconds. For example, you can type, "Write 10 Instagram posts for a fitness coach targeting busy professionals." Within seconds, you'll get structured content that you can edit and personalize. This saves hours of writing time. But remember, don't just copy and paste. Always review, simplify, and improve the output to make it sound natural and human. Now let's move to the second tool. The second tool is Canva. Canva allows you to turn simple text into professional designs. You can create Instagram posts, carousel slides, ebook covers, lead magnets, Pinterest graphics. Simply take the content generated from ChatGPT, choose a clean template in Canva, and customize fonts, colors, and layout. In 15 to 20 minutes, you can create something that looks professional. And businesses don't pay for how long you work. They pay for results. Now the third tool is Grammarly. Grammarly helps you correct grammar mistakes and improve writing clarity. Before sending work to clients, run your text through Grammarly to make it more professional. This small step builds trust and increases your chances of getting repeat clients. Now you might be wondering, where do you actually find clients? You can start on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Create a simple service such as 10 Instagram posts with captions and Canva design. Start with competitive pricing while building reviews. As you improve, increase your rates gradually. But let me be clear, AI tools will not magically make you money. You still need communication skills, consistency, outreach, practice. AI is just your speed advantage. If you focus on learning one workflow and improving weekly, you can realistically build freelance income over time. The key is not learning everything. The key is mastering one system and executing consistently. If you found this helpful, subscribe to AI Income Hub. Every week, I share practical AI tools and freelancing strategies to help you work smarter in 2026.